Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make tables in Canva using their brand new feature. Whether you want to organize data for a presentation, create a stylish pricing chart, or just neat up your information, you'll be able to do it quickly and professionally by the end of this tutorial, even if you're totally new to Canva or design. Let's jump right in and get started. First, go ahead and open up Canva in your browser. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, it's free and sign up only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, you'll be on Canva's homepage, which is where all the magic starts. Now look towards the top right corner of the screen and you'll see a purple button that says Create a Design. Click on this. This is where you set up what kind of canvas you want to work with. For our table, let's go with something really simple and easy to manage. We'll use a custom size. When the drop-down pops up, you'll see an option for custom size. Click on it and you'll be prompted to set the dimensions. For this tutorial, we're going to keep it nice and small, so enter 100 for the width and 100 for the height. Think of this as creating a fresh, blank square canvas, almost like having a tiny sheet of paper to work with, where your table will really stand out without any clutter around it. Once you've typed in those numbers, click Create New Design. Canva will now open that blank, square canvas in a new tab or window. From here, let's move over to the left side of the screen and click on the Elements tab. This is essentially Canva's treasure chest. Everything from shapes, lines, graphics, and yes, now even tables live in here. It can feel a little overwhelming if you're new, so take your time. In the search bar at the top of the Elements panel, go ahead and type in Table. This is a big change from before. Canva recently added dedicated table elements, so you don't have to painstakingly build one out of rectangles and lines anymore. As soon as you search Table, you'll see a bunch of ready-made table designs pop up. There are simple grids as well as more styled options, so take a look through and pick one that best matches what you need. For example, if you're making a schedule, maybe you want something with more columns. For a comparison chart, you might want fewer but wider rows. Just click on any table design you like and it'll immediately appear on your canvas. Once it's on your design, you can resize it by dragging the corners, and of course, you can double-click inside any cell to enter your text. You can also change colors and fonts just like any other Canva element, so feel free to customize it and really make it your own. Seriously, in just a few clicks, you turn a blank canvas into an organized, good-looking table that can slot right into any project. And that's it, you've created a table in Canva using their new built-in feature. Super simple, right? If any part of this felt confusing or if you have a specific use case you want to talk about, just drop your questions in the comments. I'm here to help. If you found this video useful, give it a like, and if you want more practical tutorials just like this, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.